Welcome back guys. Today we are going to discuss the elements of Chainlit in more detail, like how to display the audio, video, files in our chatbot. Previously we discussed that how to display PDF and images in our chatbot. So we will dive in more detail today. So in text, it says the text class allow you to display a text element in the chatbot UI. So how to display the text? Let me just copy these lines and let's just paste here in our own chat star decorator. The content is hello, this is text element. This content we are basically passing here, and the name is simple text. Let me save and refresh the chatbot. It is showing this name and this content. You see, name is simple text and content is hello, this is a text element. It is a content and it is the name. Okay, now let's see how to display the images in chatbot. In previous class we already discussed that, but let me just copy these code and let's just paste here. We know the path is stored in public folder and it is cat.png file. Its name is image1, it is good, and content is this message has an image. Let me save and let's refresh the chatbot. Yes, it is successfully displaying the image. In my public folder I have cat.png, example mp3 and example mp4. I also have hello.py. In a while we will see that how to display these files also in chatbot. So we know that we have different options. One is inline and another is side option. The image will be displayed in the sidebar. So let me just save and refresh the chatbot. It is showing nothing. We previously discussed that what is display is equal to side do. Basically the image will not be displayed in the message. Instead the name of image will be displayed as a clickable link. So I'll simply need to copy this name and I have to paste here. And let me save and refresh it again. Now image 1 is clickable and it is displaying. Let me just change the name, maybe cat image. I need to paste cat image somewhere in the content also. Let me save and refresh it again. Now the clickable text is cat image. We discussed that how to display the text and image. Now let's see how to display the data frame. It says data frame class is designed to send a pandas data frame to the chatbot user interface. So let me just copy these lines and we'll paste here simply. I import pandas as PD above. So let me save and refresh the chatbot. It is showing this table. Under name there are several names, age, city and salary. And basically it is the name. We have different name, Alice, David, and under age we have 25, 40, 35. These are the same ages. You see 25, 40, 35. And we also have city. Under city there are different cities, New York and different. And we have salary also. Now let's see how to display the file. It says the file class allow you to display a button that lets user download the content of the file. So to display file, I will simply copy these lines and paste here. The name is hello.py and the path is it is stored in public folder. So I will give public folder path. Let me save and refresh the chatbot. Now it is showing hello.py and after clicking I am able to download it. So okay, now we will see how PDF viewer work. it says the PDF class allow you to display a PDF hosted remotely or locally in Chatbot UI. So I will simply copy these lines and paste here. So you notice for PDF we are calling cl.Pdf class. Its name is PDF1 and display method is inline, and simply I will give the PDF file path. It is stored in public folder. Its name is pdf1.pdf. So let me save and refresh it again. It is showing the PDF. You maybe notice there is a page option also. If I change from 1 to 2, then let's see what happens. So when I type 2, it is showing second page here first, not the first page. So it is the difference. So if you maybe change from 2 to 4, it will display the fourth page first. You see, 4 by 4. Okay. Now we'll see how to display the audio. It says the audio class allow you to display an audio player for a specific audio file in the Chatbot user interface. So we'll simply copy these and paste here. Here simply I will give the public folder path. Its name is example.mp3 and it is stored here, example.mp3. Let me save and let's refresh the Chatbot. You see now it is showing the audio here. Now we will move to the video class. It says the video class allow you to display an video player for a specific video file in the Chatbot user interface. So to display the video, you know that we have to copy these lines and we'll simply paste here. The name is example.mp3 and here I will give the public folder path /example.mp4 and let's refresh it again. There is an error. Yes. Let me refresh it. Yes, it is displaying the video successfully. So yes, that's it for today. In next class we'll learn about Plotly and PyPlot, maybe like how to draw the graph and how to plot the graph in Chainlit. So okay, take care.